Imagine sitting at your desk, your mouse suddenly moves on its own, your files open, your camera activates, but you didn't touch a thing. This isn't a scene from a hacker's movie. No, it is real, and it happens every day. Remote access tools, or RAT, are silent weapons used by hackers to take over systems from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how RAT is made, how attackers deploy it, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Stay logged in, because once you see how easy it is to take over a device, you will never leave yours unprotected. Now, let me sound this caution. This video is for educational purpose only. This video is for educational purpose only. So please learn how to protect yourself from hackers. Please, before you continue, make sure you subscribe to this page. Hit on the notification icon to receive any video that we post. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. It keeps us motivated to continue with some of these videos. A remote access tool, or RAT, is a type of software that allows someone to control a device remotely as if they were sitting right in front of it. Yes, sounds useful, right? Well, it can be. IT administrators use RAT for tech support. Hordes of hackers, they used to spy, steal, and silently control your system without your knowledge. Once RAT is installed on a target device, it can browse and steal files. It can turn on your webcam and mic. It can control your keyboard and mouse. It can still save passwords and install more malware silently. This is deadly. And here is the scary part. Many RAT can completely hide from the user. No pop-ups, no programs listed, just invisible. Total control. Alright, so our work today is very simple. Let's go to our browser. You go there to address bar, then you're going to type, it's going to be GitHub, and then github.com, then it's going to be /quasar /quasar. So just click on enter and then let it open. Now come to this part, go to the release. See this one, release here. So click on the release there to open it for you. Go to this one. So you're going to download this one. Make sure you have deactivated real-time protection on your desktop. You just go to your settings there. Now you go to this part, update and security. Go there. Then you just go to go to Windows security. This part. Then you just scroll through to this part called virus threat protection. You go there, and then it will open this for you. Now go to virus threat here. So go to manage settings. Now make sure you turn off real-time protection. Turn off this one, because it's going to flag this download as a virus. Okay, it's going to flag it as a virus. It's not virus anyway. When you are done, go and turn it on. All right, so click on download. Let's check it out. So it's done downloaded. So if you are using the Chrome and then Chrome is not helping you, Chrome could block it several times. So if you're using Chrome, you can use a Firefox or any other browser to download it. Now, so it's downloaded. Now, so let's go ahead to extract. Just extract. Also, just go to extract. All right. Then you just select where you want to extract. So I'm going to extract it to the same direction. Now click on OK. It's going to extract. So yes, I have to. Yes, I've done that one. So let me write it. So now it is done. The extraction is done. I can just go ahead to. So this is the extracted files. Let me run as administrator, or I keep running it. All right. So let's have it done. So now this is where we are now. So you'll be asked to click on create. You're going to create. So click on create. All right. So you click on create. You're going to create a license before you can use it. So click on create, save. All right. So save it now. So yeah. So click on OK. And so this is the place where you'll be able to okay. So now let me just go ahead. So this is a place where you'll be able to launch our attacks. So you go to build here. So go to build, and then from build here you have access. So this is the client tag. This is the clients you want to attack. Can you say a victim there, right? So I have chosen to be a victim. Now you just click on, make sure you check enable unattended mode. Make sure you click on this one to check it. Now go here. So you're going to click on connections, go back here. Now you're going to set up where do you want to listen. Now, so where do you want the information to be channeled to? All right, so if a client connects to this malicious file, which place do you want to listen? Which place do you want to receive the information? All right, so we want to receive it on this local device. So how do you get my IP here? You're going to paste our IP there. So how do you get the IP? Just use the Windows button plus R to run the command prompt. Then you're going to search that IP config. Now hit on enter. So now copy this IP address. This is your IP where you're going to listen it. So now copy this one, copy this one here, copy it, and then copy. Now go back to the place, and you're going to paste the IP there. You're going to paste the IP. So this is where you want to listen. So any information it will be channeled to this IP. Here you're going to make sure this is the port. Leave the port there. Leave the port there. Now you're going to click on add host. So I have added host. So the host is added here. Now come to installation there. Now installation here. So make sure you click on install a client there. Make sure you click on this one. Now make sure you check the set attribute to hidden, and then set attribute to this one. Now this one is very important to make sure you check this one too. Now run client when the computer starts. So this makes it possible to even get access to the person's computer after the person has. Now when you are done, come to this one, come to assembly here. So this can also give it some details, the assembly details. You can just if you want to change the details, you can just change this one to change the details. But I think you can just go ahead with the normal details of it. Now just leave these ones there. Now come to the monitoring state. So now let's go here to go to monitoring tool. Now monitoring tool here, enable keyboard login. All right, so and then click on check the set directory attribute hidden. Now this one is going to help you. Now when you are done, with the settings, click on the build client a software. So let me say a software. Now let me save it. Let me click on save. Now boom, it has built it now for us. So now click on okay. So now I have built it. Now I can go ahead to close this one here. Now okay. So now do you want to save? So let's save now. Okay, so now let's go to we have built it, so let's go to settings. Go to settings here. Now this is the port where we used to listen, so this must be the same port here. We are going to leave the same thing. Now come here, so enable, you can enable this one, support and listen for new connection setup. All right, so when you are done, just click on start listening, and then allow access now, allow access there. So now see what happened. So you see it is listening. So you see it's listening. So you see stop listening here. Then you see what's happening here is listening on port 4782. So what happened is that any person. So now let's go. Let me get the executable file. So now when it comes here, this is the file there. The file is I name it software, right? So I name it this. So this is very good. So this is software. So this is software. All right. So now any person that when you send it to the person might think that it's software. It's a software. So the person is going to open it and then interact with it. Now any person that opens and interacts with it, boom, the person is hacked. Now I don't have a second computer here. I only have this one, so I cannot test it for you to know how it's going to work. Any person that opens this one, all right, the address would come here. This will be the address, the IP address, the tag, the user PC, the username of the PC will come here, the version, the status, the user status, the country of the person, the OS, now the account type. These are information that will be able, when you click on this one too, you'll be able to see administration. Now here you can get the system information. This will tell you the information about the system, the person, the information about the system, the person, every information about the system, about the computer the person is using. You'll be able to get the information here. So when it comes to the file manager here, you'll be able to access any file the person has. manager, tax manager. You can operate all of these on the person's device remotely. Imagine, this is very powerful. You'll be on your own machine, and you'll be able to access the person's the person's photos, everything the person have, anything, all the things the person have on the file manager. You can be able to access it. You're able to access all these. When you go to monitoring tool, you're able to get the password recovery. You'll be able to get this one, the keylogger, remote desktop, all of these one. Now when you go to support here, you can show message box. Now you can pop up. So when you go to show message box, it will just pop up messages to the person that you can say, hey, you have been hacked. You can use this one to test the person messages on his device. So you'll be on your device and you'll be testing the person's messages on his device, and also come to update. If you want to disconnect, you can kindly do this one. If you want to if you want to be kind and you want to do this, after you have achieved what you want, you can just come here to disconnect or reconnect or do something like that. All of these are here. You can just get access to the operating system. A lot of things are in this tool is so powerful, and it gives you a lot of features. I love this tool because it's very powerful and it gives you a lot of features at a go. All right, now I don't have any computer to try it here, so I want you to be kind with me. If you want to give me your computer to try this one, just say hi, I'm ready. Once you install it on your computer, I'm going to use you as an example for us to see how this actually works. This is how you'll be able to get access to someone's computer remotely. Now this one way, I'm going to give another tutorial on how you can use it. You can build it yourself on a Kali, all right, and build it to set the listener yourself to do all of these things so that you're able to have everything done on a Kali. That one's another tutorial. This one is a friendly one that you're able to do it with ease. All right, so this is a very powerful tool that you have to. So how do you protect yourself? Now you see that all of these I'm doing. I have disabled all of these. Real-time protection, I've disabled it. I have disabled cloud protection. I've disabled automatic sample submissions. I've disabled all of these. Why? Because it will be able to flag these things as virus, and it will not be able to install it. All right. So when you have your machine protected, make sure that you are always logged in. Make sure you are always protected, and don't give them a chance. Windows protects you from some of these threats. So automatically, if this, I will not be able to run this software on my computer if I have not disabled these settings. All right, so it's very important to know that. Yes, it's very important to also keep note and then update your system. Make sure you use the latest antivirus system to check. Antivirus will be able to scan all of these things for you so that you'll be safe from these things. Please don't use this one on any person. Please don't build any file. Don't build any file to send to victims. Please, this one is just for education purpose, for you to know how important is it for you to keep your Windows updated and then be safe. This is not that is don't mean we don't mean to hack any device. We don't mean to hack anyone. So please don't practice this. Don't use anyone as a victim. If you want to use one, just use your own machine as a victim.